Extended magazine. Let me see your fucking head. Oh, you fucking bitch. 6 for it. Shots fired. Let me see your fucking head. Let me see your fucking head. Get on the fucking ground. 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 Turn around. Get on the fucking ground. I got him up here. 6648. Shots fired by police. Get up here. Get up here.
Alright, so the units are 664 have shots fired by the
You got the gun?
South Ingleside, 7942 South
Give me a fucking hand.
shots fired by the police.
6648. Give me an ambulance. Give me an ambulance. Where's your shot? Where's your shot? Where? On your back? Where?
Clear. 64 Avenue. They're looking for you, 7942.
6648. Give me an ambulance to where I'm at. I'm in the stairwell. We got the offender shot in the back. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
We're gonna get an amber rolling. 664 Avenue. They're at 7942 South Ingleside. They can't find you.
Oh, hey! Coffee! Get the fucking door open in the downstairs! Grab the fucking gun and fucking leave it! This guy's shot! What the fuck are you doing? Dude! Get an ambulance, got an ambulance. You got shot in the back, got shot in the back.
64 Avenue. They're on the Ingleside. They do not see you. 7942 Ingleside. They don't see you. Verify that.
6724 Avenue are with them. They have multiple units with them or with them.
He's shot in the back, he's shot in the back. He's shot in the back.
We got the amber rolling. We got the amber rolling.
My partner has a gun, my partner has a gun. My partner has it. Yeah, I'm doing. I got an ambulance coming, alright? Take a deep breath, alright? Hey! Tell me to get an ambulance, bro.
They got the ambulance coming. What's up, Mary?
Alright, 7942 South Ingleside, second floor.
Why didn't you drop the gun?
We got the amber rolling. Supervisor don't see it.
Hey, we got an ambulance coming, alright? What's your last name? Yo, how old are you? Huh? What's your last name? Joffin? You got an ID on you? You got anything on you? Anything else? He's in the back.
Good?
I'm fine.
You guys responded for the shots fired.
Who's the shooter?
You didn't drop the gun.
Say Sarge. Say Sarge.
I got my
Hey,
camera.
Core. Get that Sarge. Get Sarge up here.
Are you the shooter?
Yeah.
Here,
I got my camera's live. My camera's live.
turn it off. We're done. Turn it off. Cameras off. We're done.
Okay, sorry.
Cameras off.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah. Corey, take it. Cameras off.